Today I am in a private residence where the Garvan ceramic drops from Faenza are installed. A high-quality stereo system connected to the television. This beautiful drop is in a pearl dove grey finish and is unique in the sense that this is a product that is not present in our catalog and it was made at the customer's request. The audio system connected to the TV is a 2.1 with an in-wall speaker and the subwoofer hidden inside the cabinet. Now let's open it. Here it is. And this, by the way, is also a custom version made to order. Indeed, actually, specifically. This is indeed a very unique and rather unusual audio system, usually connected to TVs. There are 5.1, 7.1 Atmos systems, and this is a 2.1. One of the reasons is also because this house, it had already been built when the system was conceived, and therefore in terms of traps, and there was no setup. And let's say this was an excellent compromise. With little setup work, and still easily and efficiently and effectively achieve a quality audio system that meets your needs. We don't have the rear effects, the side effects, in short, everything that is related to home theater world, but in terms of the stereo system or the TV audio, it is of good quality. And this was indeed the goal of this system, specifically. Behind this door, we find the Sky decoder and the amplifier. If you liked the video, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks, see you soon.